Hello students, today we learn another important topic which is very important in today's computer environment is known as cloud computing. So cloud computing refers to the storing and accessing data and programs over the internet instead of your computer's hard drive. So all data is stored on the internet and we can access these data anywhere anytime by the help of internet. The cloud is just a metaphor for the internet. To store and access program over a cloud, you need to access to a cloud. So generally cloud computing is what? Storing and accessing data and programs over the internet instead of our computer's hard drive. So there are broadly two types of clouds. First is public cloud and second is private cloud. So what is public cloud? Public cloud refers to a common cloud service made available to multiple subscribers. The cloud resource like server and storage are owned and operated by a third party cloud service provider and delivered over the internet. In a public cloud, we share the same hardware, storage and network devices with other organizations that use the same cloud called tenants. Public cloud deployments are frequently used to provide web-based email, online application storage and testing and development environments. Microsoft Azure, Google Drive, Amazon Cloud Service or iCloud are example of public cloud. User can store their data, their applications and other data on these public cloud like Microsoft Azure, Google Drive, Amazon Cloud or iCloud Drive and can access data anywhere anytime by the help of internet. So our data will be safe on these public cloud and we can access safely and use the data. Second is private cloud. A private cloud consists of computing resource used exclusively owned by the one business or an organization. In a private cloud, the services and infrastructure are always maintained on a private network and the hardware and software are dedicated solely to the organization. So generally private cloud is created by organization as per its private requirement and their ownership handle own their private companies. Private clouds are often used by the government, agencies, financial institutions and any other mid to large organization with the business critical operations seeking enhanced control over their environment. So generally private clouds are used by the government agency, financial institution and any other mid to large size organization because they have very critical operations and critical information on their environment. A private cloud, also known as internal or enterprise cloud, resides on the company's intranet. What is intranet? Intranet is a local network which is managed by the private company is called intranet or hosted data center where all the data is protected behind a firewall. So generally private cloud also known as internal or enterprise cloud. All data will be managed by their intranet server or hosted data center where all data is protected behind a firewall. So today we learned what is cloud computing and what kind of clouds are. We have two types of cloud. We have public cloud and private cloud. Public cloud is used for generally web-based email or storage or testing our software or applications, but they are public. And big organization or government organization can manage their own cloud which is known as private cloud and data is secure and only authorized person can use this data by the help of private cloud. Some public cloud example are Microsoft Azure, Google Drive, Amazon Cloud Drive or iCloud Drive.